Let's talk about the future of careers. Over the last few weeks, I have seen so many articles talking about where careers might be headed in the future, and they all revolve around this concept of our careers being non-linear, or a jungle gym rather than a ladder, or multi-hyphenate, meaning we do this, dash this, dash this. And finally, this book called Range, which talks about having a breadth of experiences rather than going deep into one particular niche, discipline, or industry. So who is a non-linear career path really for? Maybe you're someone who has lots of interests. Maybe you have a side hustle that you see turning into a full-time business. Maybe you have specific companies you want to work for or different industries that you want to work in. Maybe you only want to work for an employer part-time and then do your own thing the rest of the time. Maybe you just want flexibility to work from home and build a family, or work from home and work on your small business, or you want to work remotely and you want to travel. Whatever that looks like for you, a non-linear career path is no longer going to be a disadvantage. And in fact, it could actually become your greatest advantage. There are many benefits of a non-linear career path. To name a few, you're going to have a greater breadth of skills. This Forbes article talks about a few reasons why a non-linear career path will be the future and why organizations that don't adapt to supporting employees who want to go down that path are probably going to suffer. Now, while there are so many benefits, I think skills is a huge contender. If you're doing multiple things, you're probably building different skills in each of those things. Chances are some of those skills are going to be transferable between those different things that you're doing. Maybe that breadth of skills that you have actually leads to more opportunities for you because of the skill-based hiring approach that a lot of companies are now moving towards. This paragraph sums it up really nicely. By having a non-linear career or a multi-hyphenated life, you're creating your own backup plan. The only thing you can do is control how you choose to develop yourself, diversify your skill set, and design your own workday.